My name is Wahyu Hotman Rizky Tarigan, NPM 20330010. I will explain how to install jumper, cable, and a dual series switch. This is an example of a switch that we can see there two on button. So we can see how to install it on the back. Now this is the back of the series switch. So there are two input and two output. The one on the right two input and the one on the left two output. Now I will explain how to install the cable. Please listen to it because this is often wrong for the jumper method. So for the first one to take the cable from the power source or from the phaser, it must go to the input first. It must go to the input on the right. Do you want the one on this side or the one on the side 3? Only one cable from to the power source, and thus who enter here must be phaser cable or positive honest. Okay, I will give an example of the cable from the MCB or from an electric current source that will be inserted into the input on the right. Then I will input this input into the input switch next to it. Because every switch must have an input or a power source, so we insert the input cable from this switch on this input of this switch 2. So this is called jumper. The jumper is the switch input cable 1 and the switch input cable 2. So the power source goes to switch 1 and switch 2 stay in the jumper from switch 1. Okay, now I will attack the light was output this on a single switch, namely the output to this one light and the output to this two light. Okay, I will attack this cable to light 1. And finally, this cable to light 2. Okay, done. So there are only 3 wires that go into this series switch because the jumper are ready at the input of the switch 1 and switch 2. So this one goes to the MCB or to the electric current source. This one goes into light 1 and this one into light 2. Next, I will connect the switch to the series of the light that I have provided. Light 1, light 2. Okay. This is light 1 and this is light 2. Okay, this is just a tutorial from me. Thank you.